Want to open email links with Gmail on Chrome by default? Let's set it up quickly. Click on the search box and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome in the elevated search result to open the Google Chrome window on your computer. In Google Chrome window, go to the address bar at the top of the window and type Chrome.settings handlers and hit enter. Handler settings will be opened on your computer. Under handler settings, if you notice, mail.google.com is already there. Then click on the three-dot menu in the address bar, and then click on Remove to remove it. Flip the toggle beside the option Allow sites to ask to become default handlers for protocols, recommended, to off, switching it to left direction, and then toggle it to on, switching it to right direction. Now, open another tab in the Chrome window and type https://mail.google.com and hit enter. Now, you will notice a protocol handler icon in the right corner of the address bar. Looks like two merged rhombi. Click on it, and then click on Allow in the drop-down window. Finally, click on Done to complete the process. As soon as you have clicked on Done, Settings window will be opened on your computer. Close Settings window. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.